Hi, it's Tally, and today I'm going to be showcasing one of Bravo's flagship products, the Jewelry Estimator, in a consignment transaction. The Jewelry Estimator found here on the Bravo dashboard is where you will assess and evaluate jewelry items. Let's get started by selecting the Consign tab. Based on the unique store's configuration setting, the commission type, i.e. percent or fixed amount, split, term, MSRP, and price auto-populate. Start by determining the metal type, and in this example, we're going to use gold, and then enter the item weight, and now the purity of the item, and finally select the appropriate color, which is going to be yellow, and now we have an estimated consignment amount for the gold in this item. Next, we're going to categorize the item, and in this example, our customer brought in a ring, and it has both diamonds and stones, and it's a lady's. Bravo now prompts us for the diamond specifics. Starting with the cut, select the drop-down box here if you know the name of the cut, or use the arrows here to scroll through the different cuts. In this example, we are going to use a round brilliant. Select the color, and now the clarity, and next add the diamond count. Then you can select the size by either total carat weight for each or per piece. Here is our estimated consignment amount for the diamond. Notice the estimated amount for the gold went down. This is because Bravo automatically deducts the diamond weight from the mounting weight. If there are more diamonds to estimate, selecting Done will allow me to input the specifics of the next diamond. And in this case, we only had one diamond surrounded by red stones, so let's estimate those next. Select the Color tab. We have included all of the precious stones, again with the ability to use the arrows here to scroll through all of the different stones. You can also type the first couple of letters of the stones, for example, RU for ruby. Or we have conveniently located color stones here, and in this case, we're going to select red. Select the stone shape of oval, followed by a count of 4, and then each size. Select Done if there are more stones to add, but in this case, we've included them all. The last consideration is brand. Notice how some brands like Chanel add value to the item, while others like Pandora offer none. You may also choose to include the brand under additional information or damages, along with the ring size, any engravings, or any item notes that you do not want to show on the consignment ticket. You can also add a location if you know where it's going, or you can add a location after the transaction is complete by going to Consignments on the dashboard. Our estimate is here, but wait, our customer wants to negotiate for a higher percentage. Notice you can bring in your customers mid-transaction and take advantage of powerful insights into who is standing in front of you, how often they visit your store, and how profitable they are to your company. We've agreed on a fixed amount and a 90-day term. With a negotiated amount in place, we will fill in the remaining details and wrap up this transaction. You can always add images by right-clicking on your mouse within the black square and either pasting or taking a photo from your webcam. Select Next to complete this transaction. And if there are no other items or transactions to complete with this customer, select Next again. Now save to print the consignment contract, the item tag, and any other supporting documents. That's it. If you have additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.